PJ9509, her name is Gina Domingo. She's 31 years old, married, and she worked in Hong Kong before. She finished associate in hotel and restaurant management. This is PJ9509. Will you please introduce yourself?
I am Gina Domingo, 31 years old, married with 11 years old daughter. I have 4 brothers and 1 sister. I am 4th in the family. My parents are Mr. and Mrs. Marcelo Arena.
Do you have any overseas experience as domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
What particular place?
In Hong Kong.
And why did you leave your employment?
Because I need to go back in Philippines just to settle what problems, family problems, what we have.
What are your duties and responsibilities with your employer?
My duties and responsibilities to my past employer are cooking, cleaning, marketing, washing, and taking care of their baby.
Can you name some of the dishes you know how to cook?
I know how to cook steamed fish, steamed chicken, braised chicken, fried vegetables, meat.
Do you have experience in elderly care?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you take care of an elderly?
Took care the elderly by giving them medicine, assist them to go to the bathroom.
Can you understand and speak Chinese language?
A little.
Can you greet your employer in Cantonese?
Yes, ma'am. Ni hao, sir. Ni hao, ma'am.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to give a better future for my daughter and my family.
If given chance to work in Hong Kong, who will look after your kids?
My mother, my sister, and my brother.
Why do you think you are a suitable domestic helper?
I am because I am honest, responsible, and hardworking.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke?
No, ma'am.
Are you afraid of dogs?
No, ma'am.
Will you prepare 24 hours on duty?
Yes, ma'am.
How can you relieve your homesick when you are working in Hong Kong?
I keep myself work to forget my homesickness.
Do you know how to sing nursery rhymes?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cite an example?
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here's my hand and here's my spoon. When the water's boiling, hear me shout. Lift me up and pull me down.
Very good. Can you sterilize feeding bottles?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do first?
I need to wash the bottles. After that, I will sterilize the bottle too and boil within 15 to 20 minutes. Then put them into the clean storage.
After feeding, what will you do with the baby?
I need to carry the baby in brace so that he or she can breathe.
Can you give a message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as your helper because I am honest, responsible, and hardworking helper.